Most people think being broke is about income. They believe, if I made more money, all my financial problems would disappear. And at first, that sounds reasonable. But here's something interesting. There are people earning $40,000 a year who manage to build wealth. And there are people earning $200,000 a year who constantly feel financially stressed. So if income isn't the entire answer, what is? The truth is that one habit keeps millions of people financially stuck, and it's not what most people think. Let's talk about it. Part 1. The habit is instant consumption. The habit that keeps people broke is simple: spending money as soon as it arrives. Think about what happens when many people get paid. The paycheck arrives, and almost immediately, the money starts leaving. Shopping, subscriptions, dining out, upgrades, impulse purchases. The problem isn't buying things. The problem is having no gap between earning and spending. Every dollar has a destination except the future. And when that happens month after month, wealth never has a chance to grow. Part 2. Why this habit feels so normal. The reason this habit is so dangerous is because society encourages it. Every day we're told, buy now, upgrade now, enjoy now, new phone, new car, new lifestyle. Social media makes it even harder. We're constantly comparing our lives to other people's highlights. So spending feels normal. In fact, it often feels rewarding. But what feels good today can create stress tomorrow, because every dollar spent today is a dollar that can't build your future. Part 3. The real cost of this habit. Most people think the cost of spending is the price tag. It's not. The real cost is opportunity. Imagine investing $100 instead of spending it. That money could potentially grow for years. Now imagine doing that consistently, month after month, year after year. Small decisions start creating massive differences. That's why two people with the same income can end up in completely different financial situations. One consumes, the other builds. The difference compounds over time. Part 4. What wealthy people do differently. Financially successful people often follow a different pattern. Before they spend money, they pay themselves first. They save, they invest, they build assets. Only then do they spend what's left. This doesn't mean they never enjoy life. It means they prioritize their future before their lifestyle. They understand something powerful. Income creates opportunity, but allocation creates wealth. It's not just about how much money comes in. It's about where it goes. Part 5. How to break the habit. Breaking this habit doesn't require a huge income increase. It requires a simple system. First, decide on a percentage of every paycheck. Maybe 10%, maybe 15%, maybe more. Automatically move that money into savings or investments before spending anything else. Then live on the remainder. At first, it may feel uncomfortable, but over time, it becomes normal. And eventually, something changes. You stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building financial momentum. Conclusion. Most people believe being broke is an income problem, but often it's a habit problem. The habit of spending money the moment it arrives. Because wealth isn't built by what you earn, it's built by what you keep, and more importantly, by what you build. So the next time money enters your account, ask yourself one question: am I funding my future or just financing my present? Because that single question can completely change your financial life. And breaking this one habit may be the first step toward building lasting wealth.